Introducing the designated Continental Solar Backpack. Accessible connectivity, personal mobility, these are what shape the future of society. The Continental was designed to be stylish and multifunctional, with abundant space and highly organized storage solutions. Use it as a backpack, briefcase, or shoulder bag, ready for any endeavor. Appropriate for any occasion. Integrated with the most advanced ultra-light solar technology. Custom made for travel. External or internal USB ports allow you to charge multiple devices on the go. Anti-chafing padding and moisture-wicking mesh ensure outstanding comfort. Explore far-flung destinations and navigate the urban jungle. A TSA lock offers maximum security, while a hidden back pocket keeps valuables safe and close to the body for peace of mind. Constructed with high-strength ballistic nylon, luxurious vegan leather, and a premium finish for sophistication, rugged construction, durability, and longevity. The stabilized shape and shock-absorbent padding protect the bag's contents. Designated Build the Continental to keep up with the vanguard, the trailblazers, and the fast-paced. Continental Solar Backpack, geared toward the modern landscape, to meet the demands of all those who live life with style. Design can now truly be designated.